Hello, so I'm doing another one. This one is for Oh Baby boxes. I already opened it because I'm impatient and I don't like to wait. And I got like 3 packages that day, so I was like, I'm gonna open them. This one was, I think it's just the normal like 10 or 15% off for the first order. I didn't get the other one, belly box, this time. I got this one to try it out. And so when you open it up, it says, "Congratulations, Mama," and stuff like that, so it's cute. And then inside, one of the first things I saw was this tea, and it says, "Breast Friend Tea." It's, I don't really know what it is, but I'm guessing it has to do with breastfeeding. That's what my assumption would be, but it just tells you how to make it. It doesn't say much about it. Maybe on the little placard thing. Let's see. It says, "This organic 100% natural tea is used to assist mamas with increasing breast milk production, reducing swelling, balancing hormones, and more." That's kind of cool. Oh, I guess that makes sense. The next thing in here is a sleep mask. It says Sweet Dream Deep Sleeping Mask, and it just says, "Rejuvenate and moisturize your skin with this unique creamy mask, free of any alcohol, fragrances, parabens, and artificial ingredients, and made from lavender, jojoba oil, and shea butter." That's cool. I like face masks. I don't use them as much as I should, but I do enjoy them. Oh, it's like a Korean one too, because it's got the writing in the background, the non-English symbols thing. The next thing in here would be the Bump Scrub Body Polish, handcrafted in small batches. Looks like this. And this is a 100% all natural and organic scrub for your growing belly to help prevent stretch marks and increase elasticity. I kind of have a little bit of stretch marks at the bottom, like not all over the belly, but it's already kind of at the bottom. I mean, I am 31 weeks pregnant now, so it's a little late, but you know, it's cool. Next up is this little bag that says Totes Prego, because obviously I am, you know, I feel him kick all the time, so he's in there, he's doing something. The next one would be, I'm guessing this one, since I bubble wrap. I'm just going down the list because it's just easier to read it off instead of trying to look at the box and try to figure out what it is. That's what I did with the tea, so it just made sense to do this. And this is Nourish My Locks. It is for dry, brittle hair, may be a side effect of pregnancy due to hormonal changes, but have no fear, we've got you covered with this all-natural deep conditioning hair oil. Use 1 to 2 drops daily or liberally as a weekly overnight hot oil treatment. Mine's already dry and brittle from dyeing it silver, so this is not a bad thing to have because I'm trying to fix my hair. My hair growth is coming in, so I mean, I'm like down to here, I think. I can't tell in this lighting as well, but yeah, it's there. The growth is going in, so I'm gonna debating on whether or not to just let my natural hair go after the pregnancy. I don't know yet. Next would be the Mantra Grip Socks. These are uplifting and always keep you and baby safe. Designed with gripped bottoms to prevent slips, falls during exercise and daily activities. And it says, breathe. I don't know what's wrong with me this morning. It's because it's 7 a.m. I don't have caffeine anymore, but I'm just not, I haven't spoken much today, I guess, is the problem. But it says, breathe, balance, be. That's cool. I like socks. My husband just got me a bunch of socks for my birthday since they're coming up, and if you understand Sailor Moon, you get it. I've already worn some of them, so, you know, can't go wrong with that. He also got me, I wore a different pair, but he got me flash socks too. He got me an early birthday present. Next would be this Lavender Lullaby Foot Soak Salts, and say goodbye to swollen feet. This with this 100% natural lavender lullaby foot soak infused with minerals, rich dead sea salts and Epsom salts, lavender essential oil, and buds. So I've never used a foot soak, but I have 2 jobs, and so me working my second job is standing all the time, so my feet's starting to hurt a bit. They haven't been that swollen, thank goodness. Just a little bit, but not too bad. So that's a good one to have. The next thing on here is the Go Macro Protein Bar. This 100% or 100 calorie guilt-free pregnancy treat made from unsweetened coconut, dreamy almond butter, and vegan dark chocolate, packed with nutrients and certified organic, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and non-GMO. Which means I might actually be able to have this because I can't have most protein stuff because I'm allergic to the whey in it. So it makes me very sad because I actually kind of like some of them, but maybe I can actually have this one as long as there's no like whey in it. And then this is a bonus gift. It is the Flowered Life Peppermint Everyday Balm, and just lip balm. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have lip stuff on, so I don't want to get it colored, but it is just peppermint and you can't go wrong with that. And that is it that is in the box. So to give you, it has $115 value. The tea was $35. The sleep mask is $6. The bump scrub is $15. The Totes Prego bag is $13. The hair oil is $22.50. The socks were $12.50. The foot soak is $8.50, and the protein bar is $2.50, and then the lip balm is $3.49. So this wasn't a bad box for the first time. It's different stuff that I would never buy myself, so it's kind of cool to get it, to have something different. And I guess that's it. Okay, bye.